Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And this video I will show you how to use 5G for phone calls on iPhone 15 Pro. First of all, open your settings and choose the mobile service option. In the mobile service option, you can see the option mobile data options. Tap on the mobile data options and choose the voice and data option. Tap on the voice and data. In the voice and data, choose the 5G auto option. Tap on the 5G auto. In the 5G auto option, you can see the option Voice over 5G Standalone. In this option, Voice over 5G Standalone uses 5G for phone calls. By enabling this option, you can use your 5G network for your phone calls. Tap on the toggle and turn it on. Now your Voice over 5G Standalone option is turned on. By doing this, you can use your mobile phone more conveniently. If you found this if you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.